Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved Microsoft Windows detected a hard disk problem error. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand system. Click and expand troubleshooting and diagnostics. Click and expand disk diagnostic. Open disk diagnostic, configure execution level. Check disabled. Click apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. Second step is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type chkdsk, /f, /x, /r, /c:. Type Y to continue. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Restart system. Third step is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC, /scan now. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.